Hey, I just bought the 110cc dirt bike. I haven't quite finished it yet. Still need to fit on the handlebars and back tire. Just bought it today. Well, came in the mail today. Pretty much, yeah. SSR 110cc dirt bike. I might try it out in a couple videos after I build it together. I'm gonna build it later though. Alright, now I'm sick. Yep. Got it white and black. So far the shipping, they got all scratched up on the sides right here from shipping. Nothing right here though. I came in this metal crate right here, which is painted, but came in this big box right here too. Took forever to get out. Box is all torn up and I got it, has holes in it, everything. Tells me they want some to a hard shipping. Yeah. This is Dragon 281. Showing you my new dirt bike. I'm out.